Programming is about giving instructions to computers. Think of it like writing a recipe, but instead of telling someone how to bake a cake, you're telling a computer how to run a program. Learning to code is like learning a new language, one that lets you talk to machines and build amazing things. Why is coding so important? Because in our digital world, code is everywhere. It powers the apps on your phone, the websites you visit, even the traffic lights in your city. Learning to code opens up a world of possibilities, letting you create your own games, websites, and tools. But with so many programming languages out there, it can be tough to know where to start. Two of the most popular and beginner-friendly languages are Python and JavaScript. Let's dive into each of these and see what they're all about. Python is known for its clear and readable syntax, making it a great language for beginners. It's like writing in plain English, only you're giving instructions to a computer. For example, to print the words, "Hello World." In Python, you simply type print "Hello World." See how easy that is? Python is incredibly versatile and used in many areas including web development, data analysis, and machine learning. Python powers popular web frameworks like Django and Flask used to build websites and web applications. With powerful libraries like Pandas and NumPy, Python is a favorite among data scientists for analyzing and visualizing data. Python's scikit-learn library makes it a breeze to build and train machine learning models. Whether you're interested in building websites, crunching numbers, or teaching computers to learn, Python has something to offer. Its vast community and abundance of resources make it easy to find help and support along the way. JavaScript is the language that brings websites to life. It's what allows for interactive elements, animations, and dynamic content on the web pages you visit every day. Without JavaScript, the web would be a much more static and boring place. JavaScript code is typically embedded directly into HTML, the language that structures web pages. For example, to display an alert message when a button is clicked, you might use the following JavaScript code alert. You click the button. JavaScript's primary domain is front-end web development, where it works alongside HTML and CSS to create engaging and user-friendly web experiences. But its reach extends beyond the browser. Node.js allows developers to use JavaScript on the server side to build web applications and APIs. Frameworks like React Native and Ionic use JavaScript to create cross-platform mobile apps. JavaScript game engines such as Phaser and Babylon.js, are gaining popularity for building web-based games. Learning JavaScript opens doors to a vast and ever-evolving world of web development and beyond. Section 4, Python versus JavaScript, the showdown. So, how do these two coding giants stack up against each other? Let's compare them in a few key areas. Ease of learning. Both Python and JavaScript are considered beginner-friendly languages. Python's clean syntax and emphasis on readability give it an edge for absolute beginners. JavaScript, with its asynchronous nature and sometimes quirky rules, might take a bit longer to grasp. Community support. Both languages have vast and active communities of developers. This means there's a wealth of resources, tutorials, and online forums available to help you learn and troubleshoot. You'll find no shortage of support for either Python or JavaScript. Job market. Both Python and JavaScript are in high demand across a variety of industries. Python's popularity in data science, machine learning, and back-end development makes it a valuable skill for many companies. JavaScript's dominance in web development, both front-end and back-end, ensures a steady stream of job opportunities. Ultimately, the best language for you depends on your individual goals and interests. Section 5. Your first steps into code. If you're just starting your coding journey, both Python and JavaScript offer gentle learning curves. Here's some advice to help you get started. For Python, try an interactive tutorial like Learn Python the Hard Way, or automate the boring stuff with Python. Explore online coding platforms like Code Academy or Khan Academy, which offer structured Python courses for beginners. Join the Python community and participate in online forums and meetups to ask questions and connect with other learners. For JavaScript, start with the basics of HTML and CSS to understand the structure and styling of web pages. Experiment with JavaScript in your web browser's console to see how it interacts with web elements. Dive into online JavaScript courses on platforms like FreeCodeCamp or Udemy, which provide hands-on projects to solidify your learning. Remember, the key to learning to code is practice. Start with small projects, Gradually increase the complexity, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn. Section 6. Coding your way to a career. Both Python and JavaScript open doors to a wide range of career opportunities. Here's a glimpse of what you can do with each language. Python data scientist. Analyze large data sets, uncover insights and build predictive models. Machine learning engineer. Develop algorithms and build intelligent systems that can learn from data. Back-end developer. Create the server-side logic for web applications and APIs using Python frameworks like Django or Flask. JavaScript front-end developer. Build interactive and engaging user interfaces for websites and web applications. Back-end developer. Develop server-side applications, APIs, and microservices using Node.js. Full-stack developer. Combine your front-end and back-end skills to build complete web applications. Salaries for coding jobs vary depending on location, experience, and specific role. But in general, both Python and JavaScript developers are well compensated for their skills. Section 7. Making the choice Python or JavaScript. So which language should you choose? The answer depends on your goals and what you want to achieve with coding. Choose Python if you are interested in data science and machine learning. Python's powerful libraries and frameworks make it the go-to language for these fields. Back-end development. Python offers a robust and scalable platform for building web applications and APIs. Scripting and automation. Python's ease of use and readability make it ideal for automating tasks and writing scripts. Choose JavaScript if you are passionate about web development. JavaScript is an essential skill for front-end development and increasingly popular for back-end development as well. Interactive and dynamic websites. JavaScript brings websites to life with animations, dynamic content updates, and interactive elements. Mobile app development. JavaScript frameworks like React Native and Ionic allow you to build cross-platform mobile apps. No matter which language you choose, remember that learning to code is a journey. It takes time, effort, and dedication, but the rewards are immense. So take your pick, dive in, and start building something amazing.